This model kit reviews of the Panavia Tornado, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Italeri, and we have 5 different decal options here. Here you can see the options, a very detailed decal sheet. Here's our length, and let's see here. Here's another picture of the plane. Let's have a look inside. Wow, look at those decals. This truly is an impressive sheet of decals. Tremendous amount of detail. Look at the level of detail here. This really is an impressive set of decals. Let's look at our screws. First of all, here we have our cockpit canopy, and that's very nicely printed, molded, and this is really good Italeri quality. You can see here the nose. Here we have our weapons. These are very nicely molded, lots of surface detail, recessed lines. Here we have some bombs, more missiles. Faint little mold line there. The rest of it's all very clean. Here is the cockpit. Also a great level of detail there. It really is impressive. Here are our instrument panels, also nicely detailed. Our nose. This screw, looks like a few pieces that are coming off here. Here's another nose. That's interesting. Looks like we have 2 of the same. Two of the same cockpits. And interestingly, instrument panels look the same. Everything looks pretty much the same. So we have 2 of those. It's interesting. We have these fuel tanks. Here we have our tail, also very nicely detailed. We have our stabilizer elevator. We have the swing wing, very nicely detailed, very nicely molded. Lots of extra little pieces here. And some additional missiles. Here we have our wheel wells, those are nicely detailed. And we have our ejection seats, some of the bulkheads, landing gear. Here are our exhausts and wheels. Here's the other parts of the ejection seat. You can see a wonderful level of detail there. And our fuselage also very nicely molded, lots of surface detail. Here's the other side. This really is an excellent model. Here are air intakes. This is just beautifully molded. Let's have a look at our instructions. So it does seem like a waste. They are actually supposed to include those two sprues. So it looks like you have double, depending on which version you're going to build. Seems like a tremendous waste. And we start off here, the colors needed, and we go to the cockpit, and then depending on which version you're going to build, so which pieces you're going to use. We built the wheel wells into the fuselage. Our wings are put together inside the fuselage then, with the stabilizer and elevator, and the tail goes on, as does the nose, front part of the fuselage, and the exhaust, air brakes, air intakes, and canopy, and then some additional body parts. It's on the other side, and then our landing gear, and then our weapons, and the different options. Here are the different painting and decal guides. There's one version from Italy. Here's another one from Italy. And this looks like the UK version here. And then we have a German version. And we have another Italian version. So all in all, this really is an exceptional quality model. Wheel wells of great detail. The cockpit has some great detail, and the decals are amazing.